Greetings, my name is Michelle. I'm with the Newport News Public Library Systems. I want to demonstrate and show a few quick techniques to fluff a wreath for the holiday season. Your wreath will usually arrive flat and compact. What we want to do is fluff out each stem in order to make it look full and ready for decorations. What we will do first is take our outside stems and straighten them to pull outward all along the outside. Each one you touch, you pull, you straighten into a straight line on the outside rim of the wreath. Separate and straighten. Separate and straighten. Now these are our outside stems erect. We will take our inside stems and pull those straight towards the inside. Touch and separate each stem individually. Pulling our insides towards the inside. Straighten, separate and straighten. Separate and straighten. Now we even have a more fuller wreath. Our last row will be the center. You will find some flattened stems within the center. We want to touch and straighten each one, pointing straight towards the ceiling. These are the ones in our middle row. Touch, separate, and point upward. We're not in a hurry. We want to use each stem in a proper position. Therefore, our wreath will look as natural as possible. That is our aim. Continue until we come back to our starting position. In our final look, our wreath will have stems on the outside, which are straight, in the center, which fill in, and also in the middle. These will hold our decorations, our bulbs, our bows, and will also give us a look of depth and width. Thank you for watching the part 1 of wreath making, which will continue with decorating and hanging.